Can you see me? I look awful. Ew, I literally look awful. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So, you might be thinking to yourself, this is a favorites video. This isn't a tutorial. Why are you coming on here? Blurry. Hi. Excuse me. This one. Okay. What the hell is your problem, camera? What the hell? You know, I thought this autofocus camera thing was going to be a great invention, and then like half the time your bitch ass isn't even focused on me. I have to keep looking up here, and I literally just had somebody comment on one of my YouTube videos like, why the hell are you looking up so much? I'm sitting here arguing with my camera. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as I was trying to say before, you're probably just very confused as to why the hell I'm on here all barefaced and crazy looking. Let me explain. I have just recently returned back home from another glorious vacation. Main reason is I have 6,000 things that I have to accomplish today, this video being one of them, but I just simply do not have the time to sit here and put on a full face of makeup, which usually takes about an hour to an hour and a half depending on the type of video that I want to film, then actually do my video, then get back to reality and finishing everything else and be able to edit this video, yada yada. So to save you guys a very long story, I just simply don't have time. So there's the reason. So if you don't like this lovely looking bare face, then just you. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the favorites because this is already taking way too long, and I know you guys are here to see exactly what my favorite things are because my last favorites video, like, it actually did pretty decent. This is going to be the whole video. This is why I look up people, because half the time I'm out of focus. Alright, jumping right in. I have 10 whole things. 10. Hi. Why aren't I in frame? There's 10. Can you see both hands? 10. I'm counting to 10. 10 things that I think you guys should know about because they're amazing in my opinion. I'm just going to start grabbing them. And the first one's sitting right here and it's in a really big box, so we're going to look at it first. Pew. Focus, baby. Okay, so these are the Olay daily facials. What I essentially use these things for is to take off my makeup, especially after I've worked all day long and I want to basically get home, get ready super fast, and head straight to the gym. I do not work out with makeup on ever at all. Ew. Gross. I already sweat like a piglet. I don't need makeup in there, just like, you know, coming up with like plans and all these other deceptive things with the dirt in my face to be like, yeah, we're gonna pop out later as like a big black or white thing. I don't need that happening. So, to help prevent those types of plans from happening, what is wrong with me? So anyway, to help combat all of that crazy nonsense from happening, I just grabbed me one of these little guys. So this is what they look like. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? One side is like super textured, the other side's really like soft and nice, and use the textured side for like exfoliation and all that goodiness. And then I use the other side to just kind of like, you know, boop, 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 wipe it all away. So, and of course you just gotta wet them with water, yada yada. I don't know. There's plenty of people out there with sponsored videos from Olay that tell you exactly how to use them. So, I'll let them do all the explaining, but just let me tell you, they're amazing. Hey, Olay, hello, sponsor Maya. So the very next product is kind of sticking with like the skincare kind of a realm. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Now, I'm sure if you are familiar at all with makeup setting sprays whatsoever, you have heard of this guy. This just so happens to be one of my absolute favorites. I kind of go back and forth between this and the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, but as of right now, this one has been my favorite because it just melts your makeup together, like the powders and the creams and all the goodiness, and it's just like, it's one big happy family on your face, and you look flawless. It looks so natural on your face, as far as, you know, as natural as like a whole caked face can look. But it's phenomenal. So a lot of the time whenever I get compliments on my complexion and like how flawless my skin looks, it's because I've used this little baby to set it all together. And, oh god, it just smells so good and it's so refreshing. And I saw where they've like came back out with the scented ones. I almost said flavored. Don't drink this. No idea if it's safe to drink. Probably not. Which then it's just like, then why are you putting it on your skin? Because your skin drinks it. And it's, in a way, it's still getting inside of your body, and that's scary. So anyway, I don't know. Don't drink it. But they have a coconut one that I really want to try, and, yeah. Alright, so the very next thing that I want to mention, still in the skincare realm, this is the, I can't read that, that is so small, Tarte Maracuja See Brighter Eye Treatment. I get it, See Brighter. So this is, can you read that? This is just one of those teeny tiny sampler ones because, focus! It's like if I yell, it all of a sudden it's like, ooh, over there. Like I said, this is just one of the teeny tiny sampler ones because I'm not about to drop like a ton of money on it when I can just keep getting these little samples and they're like great. Broke Bitch Reviews, holla, self-promo. I filmed those with samples because we broke over here. I'll insert a card somewhere for you to go check one of them out. But anyway, this is what she looks like. I have almost used this little baby up. Hi. It's just so wonderful, and it's just so soothing and brightening, and I really do think that it helps to brighten my under eye. My under eyes, I mean, yes, they still don't look great. Like, these are some designer bags underneath of here. However, they really were looking a hell of a lot worse until I started using this pretty religiously. Okay, so the very next thing is also something that I have gotten really recently. This is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. How bougie is that? This stuff is fantastic. I have been really battling the oily skin and dry skin at the same time, like with it being winter forever here in Ohio because, you know, it's now in April and it's still freezing balls outside. My skin is like super dry, therefore it's creating an ass ton of oil to try to combat how dry I am, and I hate all that because then my foundation looks like shit. So I'm really doing my best to try to keep my skin nice and hydrated so it stays smooth and oil free. So one of the ways I'm trying to do that is by using this guy, and I really do think it's helping a lot. My skin looks really radiant and healthy and supple and flawless. Okay, keeping it moving. Alright, so I'm just gonna grab this guy. This highlight has been something that I have been obsessed with for this entire month. Whenever I first got it, I was like, and now I'm just like, bitch, what the hell were you curious about? Because this is amazing. So this product here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Reezy Highlight Palette. This is her right there. That's way prettier looking than the package that I have beat to shit. Whenever I first got it, can you kind of tell it's got like those waves in it? Like, that's pretty cool looking. But I'm slowly destroying them by using it every single day on every part of my body that I can highlight. Moving forward, I'll just grab this one because it's really big. I don't know if I had this in my previous favorites or not, because like, I don't know if you guys like remember that I already filmed this and then I lost the footage because something happened to my camera and my camera's acting really wonky right now. But regardless, if I already mentioned it in my February favorites, we're gonna mention it again because I've been using it non-stop since the day that I got it. This is the Park Ave Princess what the hell are you actually called? Chisel palette. So it's basically a highlighting and contouring palette. Highlighting in the sense of we're using like bright shades to set the under eye area. This palette's just phenomenal. I have dove into it like a crazy person as of late, and in my opinion, you can't tell. Speaking of powders, this is another one that I got in the month of March, obviously. But I love this powder so much. It's so freaking amazing. So this is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. I got mine in the shade Lace. This is the kind of like the Ben Nye banana powder dupe stuff. It's literally in the exact same packaging. I have mine in the shade Lace, so it does not have that yellow cast to it. This is more so just kind of like a skin tone cast. It's definitely not translucent by any means, but for baking and setting the under eye, this powder is phenomenal. Phenomenal! It's so inexpensive, and it is such a great quality product, and you get so much. You get 35 grams of this product. That is gagged whenever I saw how much you get for the price. 3 products left. I feel like I've zoomed through this. So if you saw my eyebrow routine, I think I called it like $1 million brows or something funny because it's like I don't have $1 million brows whatsoever. I literally use almost all drugstore products to do my brows. One of them being this product right here. This is the Essence Make Me Brow. I discovered this whenever I was trying to find a dupe for the Benefit brow something or other. I don't even know if they still make that product, but it was essentially like their tinted brow gel. I just could not fathom spending $28 or something like that on a product that I love, but I ran out of it so fast because I use it literally every single day that I do my brows. I discovered this product, gave it a whirl, and fell in love with it. Now, I've used this for way longer than just the month of March. I've probably been using this product for close to a year now, but I don't know if I've ever actually included it in a favorites video. This product is $2.99, first of all. I literally have like 25 backups waiting. Now, the next product is this guy right here. Now, I had mentioned previously that I had just went on vacation, and I brought this guy with me because I have so much trouble sleeping while I'm on vacation. I have a hell of a time sleeping at night, period. Like, let's be real. Like, that's why these bags are so fantastic. But regardless, I have a hell of a time sleeping, and I knew that I needed a little something to help me fall asleep. Now, I don't take sleeping pills or anything like that. This is essentially just an essential oil. I have this one. It's in the shade. It's in the scent lavender. I think really any lavender oil would work just fine. However, that's just so happens to be the one that I have. I literally will take it and dab it on the inner areas of my wrist, kind of go like shing, 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 and then I will take some on my fingers and put it back in here to just kind of like hit all of like the points. I don't know. It's just where you're supposed to put stuff that smells good is what I was told. I don't know. But regardless, it helped me fall asleep, and that's all I care about. And the last product. I wanted to mention this guy because it is so tiny. And it just means that I use it way too often, but I love it so much. But once it's gone because this was limited edition. I'm never gonna get it again. This is the Urban Decay X Gwen Stefani Ex-Girlfriend Lip Liner. That is it. Right there. This is all that I have left of it. It is so like tiny, but this was the most perfect nude shade for my lips. Like, it matches my lip color almost perfectly. I'm gonna be so sad whenever I actually use it all up because, like I said, it was limited edition. I actually bought that on sale at Nordstrom Rack because it's like it was old by the time that I discovered it. But regardless, I love it so much. I just use it to line my lips per usual, like duh, like bing, 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 bing. And I'll cover it up with a gloss, and usually that's it. Well, that's it, you guys. That was all of my March favorites. Sorry if I had some repeat offenders in there. I don't think that I did, but I don't remember. I stand by all of those products that I just mentioned to you because I think that they're amazing. I don't really know if you do, but you know, you could try them and then tell me what you think. If you have some favorite products that you would like me to know about and you think that I should be trying in my beauty routine, then let your girl know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Click that notification bell right there beside of it so you get notified every single time that I upload. Otherwise, YouTube won't tell you, okay? I've tried to get this out there and people are still not clicking that bell. Hello? I feel like I'm talking to myself here. Technically, I am. Thanks so much for tuning into this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!